According to Greek mythology, Apollo was the god of music, the god of poetry, and the god of prophecy. He could see the future. And in ancient Greece, every god had a temple or temples. Now, Apollo had several temples, and one of them was located outside Greece in a city called Troy. So one day, Apollo goes there, and then he saw this beautiful lady. He approached her like, "Oh my God, you're so beautiful, what's your name?" And the lady said, "My name is Cassandra." Now, Apollo fell in love with her immediately. And Apollo, being Apollo, said, "Look, I have a deal for you. I'm going to give you the gift of prophecy, Cassandra, so that you can see the future. In exchange, I want a little kiss." And Cassandra, no, that's not a good idea. Apollo, come on. Apollo, very persuasive. And Cassandra looked at him like, "That's a pretty good looking guy, or God." He goes, "Yeah, okay, done deal." So Apollo gave her the gift of prophecy, and Cassandra closed her eyes and she started like literally visualizing the future. And then all of a sudden, she saw something very bad. She saw the Greek army killing her people, the Trojans, and Apollo was helping the Greek army. Right? And she opened her eyes, she got so mad. Right? And when Apollo tried to kiss her, she goes, "You pig, get out of here." Push him. And Apollo like, "Come on, I'm a god, you have a deal. You cannot go back in your deal, we have a deal." Right? And Cassandra like, "You're gonna kill my people in the future, you pig." And Apollo like, no. Apollo got mad, right? "We have a deal. Listen, I cannot take back the gift of prophecy, but I know what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna give another curse. Yes, you're gonna be able to see the future, but nobody will believe you." Right? So now Cassandra started walking around town saying, "Hey, this is gonna happen, this is gonna happen." And everybody thought Cassandra's crazy. And Cassandra one day started getting people around and say, "Hey, listen, the Greek army is gonna come here, they're gonna kill us, they're gonna put a wooden horse outside, and the Greek army is gonna come and kill us." And people are like, "Ha ha," the Trojans, right? "Ha ha, dude, Cassandra, you're crazy, you're nuts." What happens? Eventually the Trojans and the Greek army, they had a big war, and the Trojans actually won the war. So everybody's like, "Cassandra, you're wrong, you're wrong, you're wrong." But then what happens? In the end of the war, they look outside the Trojan city, they had a big wooden horse. They're like, "Hey, the Greek army left here because it's a gift for us." So they opened the gates, brought the horse in, and in the middle of the night, the Greek army was hidden inside the horse. What they did, they took over, ended up killing all the Trojans and everybody, right? And in the end of the story, Cassandra was right. But what happens? She could see the future, but nobody believed her. And that's what I feel so many entrepreneurs, business professionals, chiropractors struggle. They can see the future, but people don't believe them. They don't take action, right? That's why we develop our classes, Influencing from the Front for business professionals and Influencing from the Front for chiropractors. So if you listen to this video here, if this message makes sense to you, if you want to eliminate the Cassandra Curse and start converting during your one-on-one presentations, your videos, and your talks, just go to www.influenceology.com or www.chirospeaking.com or www.influencingfromthefront. I have 3 sites here I gave you. If you're a chiropractor, you can go there, learn more about our upcoming events that we have in Atlanta. If you're a business professional, you can go to Influencing from the Front, and we have an event coming up for business professionals. And if you want to get some presentation coaching, you can go to influenceology.com. Don't speak to inform, speak to transform.